Okay, we're going to look at general solution questions. We're going to do two of them here. So here we have one. It says solve for x, and x has got to be an angle between 0 and 180 degrees. And they give us an equation. 3 times the tangent of 2x minus 40 degrees equals 5. Well, the first thing we have to do is put it in the form of the tangent of one angle equals a number. So you divide by 3, and they give you a mark for that. So that's pretty easy. Just divide by 3. And now it's time. Once you have the tangent of an angle, even though it's 2x minus 40 or something ugly like that, it's time to ask your calculator, find one solution. And all you do is go shift tan of 5 over 3. And your calculator tells you the tangent inverse of 5 over 3. It looks up the angle that fits with 5 over 3. It's 59.04 degrees. Now you've got to know that tangent repeats itself every 180 degrees. You have to go look at a graph of tangent, but you got to memorize that every 180 degrees, in every direction, you get another answer. So your general solution is that angle 2x minus 40 equals 59.4 plus k times 180. So it goes, you can add 1 times 180, 2 times 180, 0 times 180, or negative 1 or negative 2. K is an element of the integers. Accounting, what integers are. Counting numbers, negative and positive and 0. Well, then what you've got to do is add that minus 40 degrees to 59.04 and get 99.04. Now you've got 2x equals 99.04 plus k times 180. But you want to find out what x equals. So you divide everything by 2. 99.04 divided by 2 is 49.52. And you've got to divide that 180 by 2 to make it 90. Now there's your general solution. It's 49.52 degrees plus k times 90 degrees. Now, that's a general solution. So that's an infinite, it's millions and more solutions. You just want the answers that'll work between 0 and 180. Well, one of them is 49.52. And if you put 1 in for k, you'll get 139.52. You put anything else for k, and you'll go outside that range of 0 and to 180 degrees. So there's your two solutions, 49.52 or 139.52. Let's look at this other little question here. Determine the general solution for tan 3x is 1.53. This is even easier. Ask your calculator, hey, shift tan of 1.53, and it tells you 56.83. That's one solution, but it repeats itself every 180 degrees. But that's what 3x equals. You want to find out what x equals. So you divide everything by 3. 180 by 3, so it's k times 60. 56.83 by 3, it becomes 18.94 rounded off. That's what x equals. 18.594 plus k times 60. And k is an element of the integers. So this is general. It gives you an infinite amount of answers. 1 times 60, 2 times 60, 3 times 60, all the way to infinity. And 0 works. That's what makes 18.94 work. And then you could subtract 60 from that, or subtract 2 times 60, or on into infinity. You got all these solutions. And that's it. That's the story of the first two general kind of solutions, solving for x, that kind of stuff. And that's it.